what's up and welcome back to ByStephieNics. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get 3 quick and easy fun hairstyles using hair clips. Hair clips and hair accessories in general have been super trendy this summer. In my last video, my summer essentials, I talked about headbands, another huge trend, so check that out if you didn't see it already. But yeah, I thought it'd just be fun to sit down today and show you how to jazz up some basic hairstyles really easily with some hair clips. So yeah, let's do it. I don't know if I'll be able to find these exact hair clips, but I'll definitely link down a whole bunch of cute ones in the description box under the video, so check that out. Hairstyle number 1, the pearl ponytail. I don't know if I'm gonna name all of them, but I named that hairstyle. So for this look, all you're gonna need is a ponytail and an embellished clip. I'm gonna be using one of the fully pearl embellished ones from Scunci? Anyone know how to pronounce the name? I don't. Okay, so what you're gonna do is put your hair up into a super high ponytail. I'm gonna be using 2 ponytails together because that gives me like a really tight hole, but if you only need one, use one, you know? You do you. Flip over! Just kind of smoothing it out a bit, and then I'm going to tie it off. And then the final step of forming this ponytail is just kind of pull it out there so you have the nice waterfall effect, because if you don't, it's just like, where's your hair, you know? So just get it out there so you can see your hair from all angles. Okay, that's a ponytail. And now for the fun part, you're gonna grab your clip, and super simple, you're just gonna slide it in right here, right in front of the base of your ponytail. Just making sure I don't catch any hair in the top of it. And bam, there we go. We just took a super simple high pony and elevated it with a little row of pearls right there. Super subtle, but yet super chic and cute. Just an easy way to dress up your ponytail and take it to the next level. The little pearl pony. Hairstyle number 2. Okay, hairstyle number 2. So for this look, I'm gonna be using the bottom 2 single pearl clips from the Scunci, whatever set. This is my take on like the classic double pin holding it back kind of trendy look that's going on. So what I'm gonna do is just pull back this hair and kind of take my thumb right up in front of my ear and part it up vertically like that. That's like where I want your parting to be. It's a nice thin small section of hair, and this is what we're gonna be working with. So you just take the back section and put it behind your ear because we're not working with it. So now that we've got this front little sectioned off piece, I'm gonna braid it back a little bit, but if you don't know how to braid, you could just pull it back. It works the same way. But if you do know how to braid, I'm just going to take my 3 strands, and I'm starting from the bottom piece, going over the middle, top piece going over the middle, bottom piece over the middle. And I just braid maybe like 4-5 times, something like that. Just like the start of a braid. You see it's like hardly anything, but that's all that I want. And I'm gonna hold it down nice and firm. This is where I'm going to grab my pearl pin. And I'm gonna slide the pin kind of like up and back. You don't wanna slide it downwards because then the hair can kind of just fall out of the clip. So I'm opening up the clip, I hope you can see this. Grabbing the hair. All of it's in there, and then kind of pushing it back. Now to hide the rest of the gold, I just take the hair from behind and I put it over. And now all that's showing is that single pearl right there. So you have the little braid going back and the pearl. It's so cute. Okay, now I just match it up on the other side and we'll get the final look. Okay, so now we've got our 2 braids done, so now we can pull the rest of our hair forward, and there we go. I'm just going to loosen up the braids just a tiny bit, but I think that this is such like a romantic, boho, adorable look with like the subtle braids and the subtle single pearls. I think it's so cute. Love this so much. Okay, that is look number 2, and now on to hairstyle number 3. Slide these babies out. Okay, hairstyle number 3. For hairstyle number 3, we are bringing out the Kitsch Rhinestone bobby pins. I'm so excited. I love these. They're so glam, so poppin'. They're bold. They're bold. And I'm excited. Okay, so what I like to do with these pins right here is do a very dramatic triple pin look. I already have kind of like a side part going, so I know that I want to take this side back because this side has more hair going. So you can just pick whatever side of your hair is looking better, leave that side out, and then pin the other one back. Okay, so for pulling the hair back, you could just, you know, pull it like that, but then it's kind of flat, kind of boring. So I like putting a little twist. So what you're gonna do is grab, similar to the section of hair that you took for the second hairstyle, something like that. And when you pull it back, you're just gonna kind of twist it like that. And then I like to grab a little more hair from below, kind of twist it up and over, incorporate it. And then you're left with something like that. You can just kind of twist the ends a little more back, but it's still nice and flat. But now there's a little more visual interest, a little more going on there. See what I mean? Okay, just make sure that twist is nice and tight. I'm gonna grab the hair clips and I'm just gonna slide it in. I like lining it up kind of with like the top of my ear. That's kind of where I like it, but you can play around a little higher, a little lower, or whatever. So I'm gonna slide it in somewhere around there. Slide it all the way back, nice and firm. Grab the second clip and you're just gonna slide that in right below it. And I'm gonna do this one right below. Now to make sure that everything looks good, I'm gonna move them together. Make sure they're all straight and with no spacing in between, like that. And there we go. I think I like how that looks. And really fluff this side up, give a lot of volume because I think that that juxtaposition of super volume and super sleek and pull back looks so cool, so edgy. And yeah, there we go. Look number 3. Okay, so yeah, that wrapped it up. Our super quick and easy, basic yet elevated hairstyles with hair clips. Cute little hair clips we got. Again, I'm gonna have a whole bunch of different fun hair clips linked down in the description box, so check that out. It's a totally fun and cheap way to have some more fun with your hairstyles this summer, this fall, back to school. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it as always. If you had a good time, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and why not subscribe, join the ByStephieNics fam. To click the notification bell right next to it, you'll get notifications of all my future videos and it'd make me really happy, so go on. I love your feedback, so let me know which hairstyle you guys like the best, 1, 2, or 3 down in the comments below. I feel like my favorite is probably hairstyle number 2 with the braids, single pearls. I don't know, that's just like, I'm loving that look. I wear it a lot. Yeah, that's my favorite. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, this was ByStephieNics.